यहाँ इन ऊंचे दर्रों पर मौसम पल पल में बदलता है और नहीं बदलता है तो बस हमारा पक्का इरादा कि हम इस सत्य के मार्च पर दिल्ली तक चलेंगे। और बदले भी क्यों, इस काफिले में जिसमें कि लगभग 105 लोग हैं, आधे से ज़्यादा पुरुष सहभागी जो हैं वो भूतपूर्व सैनिक हैं, रिटायर्ड सोल्जर्स ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी। और मेरे साथ अभी चल रहे हैं रिटायर्ड सूबेदार स्तानबा जी, जो इससे पहले 21 दिन के अनशन पर भी रहे थे मेरे साथ, और बाकी सारे भूतपूर्व सैनिक। ये एक तरह से दर्शाते हैं कि ये बहुत ही देश प्रेम से प्रभावित मार्च है।
Today, on the 16th day of our fast, I'm happy to say that our main appeal has been resolved. Joint Secretary Ministry of Home Affairs came here at Ladakh Bhavan and handed me this letter which says that the talks going on between apex body of Leh and KDA in Kargil with the central government will be resumed very soon by December. This was our main appeal or demand. I'm only hoping that both sides hold these talks in utmost cordiality and good faith. My role was mainly to facilitate these talks. The talks will be carried out by these bodies, and I hope very good outcomes will come, not just for Ladakh but for the whole nation. I just hope that I don't ever again have to do another Anshan, which will be again 28 days for this reason anymore, and it will result in a very happy ending. I want to on this occasion thank everybody who supported us in this effort, in this very just effort. People from all over the country who supported, people from all over Ladakh, people all along the way from Ladakh to Delhi who wholeheartedly gave us all the love, shelter, food along the way. It was a true display of unity in diversity of India, and we want to thank everyone, including those who have been pouring in here to support us from New Delhi and from everywhere. So with all this gratitude, we look forward that these will result in good outcomes, not just for Ladakh but for the entire Himalayas, because we have appealed to the Home Minister that, like for Ladakh, all regions of Himalayas have special provisions for their protection and for their safeguards, which entrusts the responsibility of stewardship to local people, because local people are the best to think about the future of their own places, their own children. And with that hope, I thank you all.